Hello guys, let's get straight into it. In case you did not pass any of these checks, make sure you go through the mainnet checklist to ensure that you go through all the steps that you find there. It's very important to have them all green. And lately they've increased the security and maybe simplified a little bit the KYC process by introducing the liveness check, which makes things very easy. So very important, download the Pi browser app. For sure you have to have the browser, and the easiest way to go into the browser is from the mainnet. Go on the menu and then you log in into the Pi browser from there. Create a Pi wallet, very important to create a Pi wallet and save all your phrases somewhere. In case you lose those phrases, your wallet is gone. Very important, in case you did not migrate already to the mainnet, you can create a new wallet, new phrases, and link the new wallet to the mainnet checklist. So in case you lost your wallet but did not have anything transferred yet, there's still hope for you. You can still claim your coins into a new wallet you can create. You can still create one, but make sure you save the phrases this time. Because in step 3, it asks you to confirm the Pi wallet, and that wallet can be the new one you can create. Commit to a lockup configuration. Many people lock their coins and they're asking me, oh my dear me, what have I done with my coins? You have to make sure that you know what you're doing when you're doing the lockup settings. Secure your account by introducing email addresses and ensure you are using a good email address which you'll remember. Sign the acknowledgement, receive tokens, which is read and sign the token acknowledgement, which is required to migrate your transferable Pi balance to the mainnet application, to the mainnet blockchain. Submit the KYC application. In case you did not receive that, make sure you click it here. Make sure you go into the KYC in the Pi browser. For sure, most of us, in case you did not receive it, it's for you to take it now. So make sure you go check it out. Wait for the KYC results, and then obviously the latest step, which is 9, you have to click on that migrate to mainnet, because you'll have to sign an agreement in which you agree to have your coins transferred into your wallet. And don't forget, now they've increased the security by introducing the liveness checks, and I'll show you on the screen while I'm talking about this how I've actually done it for somebody who did not pass the liveness check and actually still had a few steps to be ready to get in the queue for migrating to the mainnet. And then in the last step on the migrate to the mainnet, it'll probably be orange, in which is saying congratulations, you've been added to the automatic migration queue. Your transferable balance will be migrated into your wallet on the mainnet blockchain. After the transfer to the mainnet, there will be a 14-day pending period. Don't freak out. Many of you, maybe you'll freak out from this, but don't freak out. The unlocked portion will be free to use immediately after the 14 days period. While the locked portion, in case you've done any locking onto your coins, will be transferable only after the expiration of your selected lockup duration. And then you'll see a status in there which says in the queue, and the Pi core team is processing users before you and finalizing your account preparation for migration. So you'll get in a queue. Maybe there'll be lots of days before those 14 days for the migration, so don't freak out in case you are in a longer queue. Depending on your country, depending on where you are, depending on how many are to actually approve your account from the KYC perspective, and then how many they are in the queue for the transfer of your coins. The process is very easy. All you have to do is ensure you pass all those steps for the mainnet checklist, because in case you did not go through there, there's the liveness check and you have to pass that. before this period of the KYC and all the migration is expiring, which is not many days left now by the end of this month. So make sure you go through your migration, ensure all points are green, and ensure you are actually ready to migrate your coins into the mainnet. And in case you migrated to the mainnet, make sure you click on to your wallet in the Pi browser, and on the top you'll see the testnet. Click on that and ensure you select the mainnet for you to see your coins. And in case you got your coins migrated, they are pending somewhere in a status in which you'll have to go and transfer them from that pending section into your wallet. And obviously you'll be able to do that with the other stake you have from different transfers or from the ones which you locked in case you had any locking periods on your coins. So in case you have 50% for, let's say, a year, if you got 1,000 coins migrated, there'll be 1,000 coins into the section I'll show you on the screen. And from there you have to transfer half, and obviously half will still be there pending and locked for the period you've actually selected to be locked. Don't freak out, your coins are there in case you already migrated, in case you pass the KYC and liveness checks, and everything should be ready for you to trade when we are going to see any coins transferred into the exchanges for us to be able to start engaging and start converting into real money, into real fiat. Before then, let's hope we're gonna see a very good Pi Fest. We're going to get lots of good news by the end of this, and obviously by the end of the year, beginning of the next, the biggest news we are all waiting for. Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe and like this channel and help me grow, help me get this message to as many pioneers as possible. Till then, and like next time, make sure you look after yourselves and your families. Stay safe. Bye.